So, I don't have any footage for you guys.
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright.
What's going on, everyone? So today's Tuesday, October 4th. Apparently, a hurricane is gonna hit Florida, so all fucking gas stations are packed up. As you guys can see here, there's a huge line for Costco gas station all the way through, and it's even way longer, but you can't see it from here. Anyway, so right now we're headed to the gym. We're gonna do a video shoot for Elite Fitness, so I'm gonna be showing you guys a little behind the scene action, so stay tuned. So we just wrapped up the shoot and we did some chest, shoulders, abs, and calves for Elite Fitness Company, which is the personal training company that I work for. And there's a man behind the camera. Say what up, Dimitri. Hold on. I'm looking for Annie and she's right here. We're currently on the phone.
Alright, this is weird. I'm gonna hang up now. Yeah, look, I got some wine. Actually, no, I got these.
I have 7 gallons in this big box, some almond butter there.
Check it out, look.
This apparently is serious. What do you have there?
You can't see it.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get like a bunch of packets of cookies and just things that I know that I will eat regardless. So follow along and yeah. You're not gonna come with me? So we got a ton of stuff. We got a ton of Gatorade, cereal, apples, bananas, a lot of things that I won't need to cook. There's Annie, I met her here. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna go home and eat because I literally have only had like a cup of oatmeal today. And that's it. I'm so hungry.
All I've had is 1 cookie, so I need to go home and get some protein.
All right.
What's going on, guys? So we just got here to Busybody West. We're about to kill a back workout. Today we're gonna be focusing a lot on the rows, so we can build a lot of thickness in that big fat bag. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so in this row that we're doing from this machine, it's a low row machine. Instead of grabbing it from the handle, overhand or hammer grip this way, what I'm doing here, I'm focused more on the outer part of your lats. So what I'm doing is grabbing it from here, just like this. So as I row, oh, thank you so much, babe, appreciate it. So as I row, I focus on flaring out my lats. I focus on flaring out my lats as I roll it here, and always keeping my chest nice and out. So that's the row of the day, and get them lower lats. We're gonna superset this one with single arm dumbbell row, rowing it a little bit more towards the butt so we can focus more on the lower lats. In the rowing that we just did, we focus more on the upper back, so Let's do some unilateral work for the lower lats. Here we go. So that was our last superset of our back workout today. Didn't really get to film everything because I was working out by myself, but this cutie, she helped me film the first lat pull down that you guys saw, but I also did some close grip pull down superset with straight arm pullovers in the rope. And I also did different kinds of rows that I didn't show here. I did bent over barbell rows and something else that I can't remember. But if you guys want any customized workout plans, feel free to shoot me an email to @mirandaFitness@gmail.com, and I'll be more than welcome to help you guys out. And hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, what's up, guys? So real quick, we just came to Starbucks to get some egg white turkey sandwich post-workout meal because I gotta run train a client real quick at 4 and it's currently 3:40, so I gotta get them meals in. So this is the egg white reduced fat turkey sandwich from Starbucks. It's freaking good. Make sure to check out the macros in MyFitnessPal.